morning children. Welcome to your maths class. Today you will learn about pictograph. What is pictograph? Let us see. When you can use pictures or shapes to sort out data from a list, such a list is called a pictograph. For example, you can see page number 131 in which Ravi, Ramsha, Ayan and other has used pencils and eraser, which you can see in page number 131. Ravi has used 3 pencils and 4 eraser. Ramsha has used 4 pencils and 1 eraser. Ayan has used 5 pencils and 3 eraser. Other has used 2 pencils and 2 eraser. This is already given in your book. Now according to the given picture, you have to answer the question. First question is, Ayan used maximum number of pencils. Ayan used the maximum number of pencils. Now you have to count. See the picture given above in page number 131 and count. Ayan has used how many pencils? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will write 5 here. Now come to the second question. Second question is, Advay used the least number of pencils. Again see the given picture and you will find out that Advay has used only 2 pencils. So you will write here 2. According to the picture given in pictograph, you will answer the question. Now come to the third question. Third question is, Ramsha used the least number of eraser. Let me write first. Ramsha used the least number of erasers. You can find out from the picture given that Ramsha has used only 1 eraser. So you will write here 1. Now come to the fourth question, that is Ravi used maximum number of eraser. Let me write Ravi used the maximum number of erasers. Now you can see in the column, Ravi has used 4 erasers. So you will write here 4. Pictograph is very easy. Just you see the given picture and answer the following question which is asked in your book. Okay. Now come to the next question. Is count the faces and answer the following questions. Few classes are given: second A, second B, second C, second D, third A, third B, third C, third D, fourth A, fourth B, fourth C and fourth D. In that, number of students are shown with the help of pictures. Now you have to count and write according to the question asked. Let's see the first question. First question is, from which class are 4 students participating? As you can see in the given pictograph, there are no classes in which 4 participants are there. So the answer will be no class. So you will write here no class. Now come to the second question. Second question is, from which classes are the maximum number of students participating? In this, you have to count the heads given in different classes, and then you will find that in second A, maximum students are there. Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From the picture given, you will find out that maximum number of students are in second A. So, the answer of second question is second A. Now, let's come to the third question. From which class are the least number of students participating? Least means minimum. Minimum students are there. Let us see. From the given pictograph, you will find that in third A, minimum students are there. So, for the third question, the answer will be third A. Now come to the fourth question. How many students are participating from fourth? In this, you have to count all the students who are in class 4th from 4A to 4B, 4C and 4D. Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So now you got the answer. In question number 4, answer is 35. 35 students are there in class 4. Now come to the fifth question. From which class the maximum numbers of girls are participating? In which class the maximum number of girls are there? Oh, in second C there are no boys, only girls. So you can see that question second C will be the answer. Let us count how many girls are there in second C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 girls are there. So the answer will be second C. Now come to the sixth question. How many boys are participating in all? All means from second A to fourth D. You have to count all the boys together. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Altogether 34 boys are there. So sixth answer will be 34. Now let's come to the seventh question. How many girls are participating in 3? So you have to count all the girls who are in 3rd A, 3rd B, 3rd C and 3rd D. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. You can also count and see whether I am correct or not. So, the answer of the 7th question is 21. Let's come to the last question, that is, from which class do no boys are participating? We know the answer. That is, tell me, in which class no boys are there? Yes, that is 2nd C. In 2nd C only girls were there. Okay, now write down 2nd C. Hope you know how to see the picture and find out the answer. It's very easy, just you have to count it properly. Thank you.